Honorable Principal Sir and respected Chairman Sir and our beloved faculty members, very good evening to one and all. This is our Manikya's addressing the gathering over here. Today I would like to discuss about the topic functions of management. Functions of management. See here, management means actually what is management? Management means it is an art of making the things done by the people. Making the things done by the people. How many levels of management will be there in an organization? Top level management, and then middle level management, and then operational level management. What the top level management used to usually carry on? They used to carry on mainly the planning activity. They used to involve mainly in planning activities, mainly the long-term planning activities and short-term planning activity. That means in long-term planning activities, what they used to determine, they used to predetermine the set of goals and objectives for the purpose of developing the organization. For that, firstly they will consider what is the present status of the organization, and then what are the processes that they have to carry on in order to develop the organization, and then finally what will be the predetermined stage, post-determined stage at the ending. Post-determined stage at the ending. For that, first they need to determine a vision statement. Vision statement. See here, vision statement means it is considered as a long-term plan. That means that is considered as an objective statement that they used to prepare for the purpose of making understood by everyone within the organization. This particular top level management is responsible to communicate the respective goals and objectives to the organization. Suppose consider our top level management had decided in order to develop our communication skills. What is the purpose of setting this particular activity? They set this particular activity in order to develop the communication skills within the employees and employers, in order to develop the harmonious relationships between the employees and employers. What is the purpose of developing this particular communication skills within the employees and employers, such that whatever may be there in the purpose of the organization, that purpose will be communicated to the middle level management like us. If we understood the communication exactly, then we can communicate that particular information to the operational level. Here operational level means the customers. That means the customers means the students. That means mainly the students have to get benefit. In order to make the students get benefit, what are the resources that they were allocating, and then what are the resources that has to be utilized by the employees and employers within the organization, how to utilize those respective resources within the organization. This all things that particular top level management will explain to the middle level management. That means in middle level management mainly this particular principals will communicate the goals and objectives to the middle level management. That means the head of the departments and other one. That means that we used to plan by means of being aware about the present status of the students in the campus. What are the skill sets that they are having at the present status? How to counsel them, how to monitor them, how to make them set a particular goal. In order to make them set a particular goal, firstly, we being the employees within our organization, we being having a responsibility to set a goal. That particular goal will be set by the top level management. That will be understood by us. After being understood that particular goal of developing the communication skills. This particular top level management will be carrying on mainly the functions known as planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. See here in planning stage, they used to plan about vision statement and mission statement. Within 5 to 6 years, how to develop our college and how to develop the campus recruitment and training activities, and then how to develop the career development activities of a particular student, how to counsel the students in an effective and efficient manner. These all things they used to plan. For that they used to assign responsibilities, they used to delegate responsibilities and authorities to the concerned faculty members who are having that particular capabilities. After assigning, then that particular responsibilities will be handed over to the respective organizations. That planning will be over. After assigning and after delegating those particular responsibilities and after setting those particular goals and objectives, they will be assigning the responsibilities and authorities to the concerned members, to the concerned organizational members. Then the role of middle level management will come into existence. There they will carry on the activity of organizing. organizing. Actually, to the concerned departmental members, this particular departmental activities will be assigned. That will be carried on in an effective and efficient manner actually. And then what are extracurricular activities in order to develop our academic performance of the students and extracurricular performance of the student, how to improve, we used to plan. Actually, what is the main academic performance that the students have to enhance means they have to get actually the percentage. That's mainly the gateway for the purpose of entering into main organization, into the repeated organization. What are the main industry requirements that we used to consider? In order to meet those respective industry needs and requirements, we used to train them. To gain the skills and abilities. The skill of presenting a particular topic. The skill of communicating a particular problem. The skill of implementing particular solution to a respective problem. That means we used to assign a particular case studies to them. That case studies they will try to solve and then present it as a seminar or a particular PPT, PowerPoint presentations. That particular presentation skills the students have to gain, and then with particular decision making skills the students have to gain, leadership skills they have to gain. In this way, in order to make the students gain all these things, we being the organizational members, we used to carry on the activity known as organization. Here, organization means this particular staffing will be done. This particular organization, middle level management will again assign the respective roles and responsibilities to the other members, to the other sub-coordinators within the organization. They used to establish certain coordinator. That coordinator used to give guidance to the students. Such as how to set a goal, how to determine the set of objectives and these all things, and then later on how to carry on to develop your academic performance, and then extracurricular performance, and then other extracurricular skill sets and all other things. Organization will be done. That means dividing the tasks, roles and responsibilities will be done. After that, after organizing, staffing will be done. That means assigning a right job, the right candidate is right. Suppose in our esteemed organization itself, second year will come. By the academic year 2017 to 18, what are the activities to be carried on? Suppose they used to carry on mainly the campus recruitment and training activities during second year. Who is the right person to handle those respective activities? They have to decide. If they decide correctly means, if the right job has been assigned to the right person means, then it will be carried on in a harmonious way without any disturbance. The team should be appointed as a team. Nowadays only in the group thinking only will get success, not individual thinking. In this way, organization, dividing the staffs should be done. Dividing the right roles and responsibilities to the right members should be done. That is considered as one another function, that is organizing and then staffing, and then directing. The leader always used to think that the members who are there in the team should win. The leader will make the people win. It's not just like the leader is getting win. He will make the people win. That type of nature should be there in a leader who are having such particular leadership qualities. The main top level management should identify, and the middle level management also should identify. Such leaders should be appointed, and then they should be in a way to direct the respective coordinators and then the staff members and all others to move in an effective way. That is directing, and then controlling. Here controlling means it's not like commanding. If suppose consider, I'm not saying in a rude way, please consider formally. Suppose consider principals are used to say, just keep quiet, I am saying this, you just follow means, it's not a formal way. It's not a formal way. That means it's not considered as a controlling. Controlling means comparing the actual performance with the expected performance. What is our expected performances? Based on the expected performances, what is the actual performance that is being run now? How to control it and how to meet that particular actual performance to the controlled performance. In this way, we have to plan about. So these are considered as 5 functions of management. I'll just try to give an overview about this 5 function: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Through these particular 5 functions of management, the top level management and then the middle level management and then the operational level management used to work effectively within the organization and tries to get success in their every activity and try to achieve their respective future endeavors. Thank you very much.